Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the headset off and removing any cables so you don't short connectors. Once done, pry the ear cushion from the seam, use gentle, steady force and work in 0.5-inch increments to avoid tearing. You'll expose a foam ring and then 2 hidden Phillips screws. Remove them and place each in a labeled tray so you know which cup they belong to. This step gives access to the driver and internal wiring. Do it carefully because the pads and screws are small and easy to lose. Once the cups are open, lift the inner plastic housing slowly to reveal the driver and any ribbon or plug connectors. You should unclip those connectors with a plastic spudger. Do this gently to avoid bending pins and note the orientation with a quick photo to guide reassembly. Next, remove the small driver screws and lift the driver assembly, keeping an eye on the foam gasket and microphone bleed holes so you preserve acoustic alignment. This preserves sound characteristics and prevents damage to delicate mic elements. Now expose the ANC and main logic board by removing 3 to 4 retaining screws and carefully disconnecting the battery connector. You do this to avoid shorting the board. Perform any repairs or part swaps, then reverse the disassembly steps to reassemble. Make sure gaskets sit flush, connectors are fully engaged, and screws are snug but not over-torqued. If audio or active noise cancellation fails after reassembly, check ribbon orientation, battery seating, and the pad seal first. Those fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.